GoSports Street Hockey. Choose between Street Hockey Goal Set with Sticks or Street Hockey Sticks, 2-pack. Street Hockey Sticks. Wind up your best Street Hockey slapshot and score with GoSports Street Hockey Sticks. Complete set includes 2 premium wooden hockey sticks and 2 street hockey balls. Wooden construction. Features premium wooden hockey sticks with ultra-durable plastic heads. Wraparound Hockey Green Biscuit Training Puck and Tape Bundle for off-ice hockey training and practice. Includes 1 hockey wraparound, tape and green biscuit hockey puck, a complete set to get you started. Protect your hockey stick and build your hockey performance without damaging your expensive hockey stick blade. Ideal hockey gifts for boys, girls, team members, players, family. A must for off-ice outdoor hockey stick practice. Street hockey and hockey training equipment replicates the feel of on-ice hockey stick handling on any surface. Wraparound Hockey Dry Stick. Portable equipment dryer easily attaches to hockey sticks. Skate Anytime Synthetic Ice for hockey. Skateable artificial ice tiles. Backyard ice rink expandable. Quickly and easily get unlimited ice time, puck touches, hockey stops, inside and outside edge work, anywhere. The only way to dominate on the ice, get game time, and win one-on-one battles is by getting ice time. Ice hockey gentler on skates than competitors, works on any hard surface, inside or out, rain or shine. Hockey Revolution My Shoot PAD Hockey Shooting Board. Professional grade practice surface portable sports training equipment. 30 inches by 60 inches.